Hello, I'm Brian.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I have a lot of problems with my neck area and my back. It's quite stiff.
Hi, I'm Xiao Chong. I'm an engineer. Because my job encompasses me having to sit on the desk and doing desk bound, so I tend to have a lot of stiff neck and shoulder.
Hi, I'm Daryl. I am a long-time fan of Grouphunt. As a teacher, I do suffer from some neck and back pain, especially when you get your marking loads around the examination.
How do you use this thing? Dinosaur teeth.
It's like some shark tooth.
Oh, nom 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 nom.
Hard plastic cushion. I don't know, there are a lot of grooves here, so I don't know, maybe it helps to massage the area. How do I fit it on?
Like something you'll find in bio class. Shouldn't put it too close to my face. Feels very solid. It doesn't feel like the kind of thing that you really want to lie down on, but I guess you'll see. You just got to figure out which side is up.
Probably if I use it every day for 10 minutes, it will help to alleviate the neck and shoulder aches.
I am as clean as a slate. I have really no clue.
Press well exactly on where the main spot on the back is that is really aching.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess you have to lie on it and try it out yourself.
Oh, it feels just like having a sharp massage. You really press very well exactly where I need to press.
Really brilliant product. Because it was massaging the shoulder blade. And sometimes I think after a long day, it'd probably be nice just to lie on it and get some sort of a massage. And this does it very well. I guess because I don't have sort of pains like this would actually help, so I can't really test it as comprehensively as I would like to. But if you ask me to put it on a 5, I would give it a 3 because I'll be very neutral on this. If I do get one of these, it would be the grooves here that will actually massage my shoulder with it. You just apply the pressure and just relax on it.
When you're pressing it against it, it really helps to release the tension. I've been lying down for 10 minutes and it feels so much better now. I would give this 4 stars, other than not having the personal human touch. This is just something you can really do it yourself. I would recommend this. When I have my massages, I prefer it pressed hard against my back and my neck. So this series the material itself is very hard. So when you press your body weight against it, actually it could be a bit painful, but for me it's fine.
You really do feel a bit of a difference after using it for just 10 minutes. I don't know whether it's just me, but I felt like my sinuses draining back. My neck does feel a bit looser, if that's the right word to use. I think it's really great for people who use the computer all day long, but you see people just craning their necks. I think this might be a good investment. I actually think it's quite great once you feel it like pressing down on your neck or at the base of your, like this part, just behind your ears. I think you will feel a bit of a difference. Like it really does relieve tension. Out of 5 stars, I'm gonna give this a 4. Okay, only reason why it's not 5 really because it looks like something you'll find in bio class.